You're watching Global News Morning on Global Kingston. This is Global News Morning. I'm going to reintroduce to you Farm Boy Executive Chef. We got the Josh Drake here, and we got the Farm Boy Product Development Chef, Liam Fulcher is here. Last segment, we whipped off 3 salads in 6 minutes, so you guys are great. Right now, we're doing some grilling. We're going to be featuring 3 burgers. We're going to end up in the Guinness Book of World Records here. 6 dishes in 12 minutes.
6, that's one every
2 minutes,
good
I
math,
think.
Bill.
Yeah.
Awesome. So our first burger is going to be our buffalo chicken burger. Now you can pick this up at the store, but if you want to make it at home, it's lean ground chicken, panko breadcrumbs, hot sauce, pickled jalapeno peppers, and green onions.
Green onions in there as well with a bit.
Yeah, so it's got a bit of a kick and it's kind of awesome. Now in our test kitchen, we always like to play with our food. So we have a buffalo chicken burger, so we're adding buffalo chip dip, right?
Yeah, this buffalo chip dip's delicious.
I love, yeah, look at that. Oh, and this one's going to have a little kick to it, eh?
Yeah, this one's going to have a little kick to it.
Nothing wrong with that. Let me show that to the camera there.
So we always say if you're gonna have some chips, you gotta add, if you're gonna have chip dip, you gotta have some
Add
chips.
your chips.
So we're gonna add
Right
some
on
chips
the
to that
burger.
burger. Yeah, right.
And I love these. These chips come in a bag, and you can buy them right at Farm Boy here.
Yeah.
Sea salt potato chips.
Yeah, we got a couple of flavors. We got some sriracha ketchup. We've got and a mesquite barbecue. So Liam's finished up that burger. Yeah, cooked off in the
And
stove,
of course,
actually.
just got to finish it all off. Nice, our house-made fresh pickle.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Pickles are delicious. Look at that.
Look at that. That's a nice. Let's grab a shot of that. That's a nice burger. That's the buffalo chicken burger with the
Yeah.
buffalo chip dip.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nice. And a garden fresh pickle.
And a garden fresh pickle. So next up, we're going to do what we've affectionately started calling our French onion soup burger. And
French onion soup burger.
And just as a pro tip on the side, when you're packing for a picnic, Liam will attest that you always want to put your buns at the bottom of the weighty items.
Bit of a mistake.
All right?
Bit of a mistake. Not gonna lie. Yeah.
We've got a caramelized onion and Swiss burger. So inside the burger itself, we have barbecue sauce, long braised caramelized onions, and Swiss cheese. Liam's added, what kind of cheese do you put on top?
A bit of Gruyere.
Bit of Gruyere on top, so you start getting that caramel, that French onion soup profile. We're going to add some beautifully caramelized onions on top of that, and then to complete the caramelized onion triple down, we are adding our private label caramelized onion and balsamic compote.
What's the private label? You seek out these unique recipe items and package them.
Yeah, exactly, and we put them under our own brand. So, excuse me, it could be anything from olives or our house-made pickles, as long as it's tasty and unique.
And
in most cases.
it's convenient too. It's right there.
Yeah, we're just trying to offer solutions for people.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the third one we'll be making is the Jalapeno Jack pepper ring.
Yeah, for sure. Liam, you want to do this one?
And of course, you gotta start off your burger with lettuce on the bottom.
Yeah, lettuce always goes
Not
on
too
the
much,
bottom.
but enough just so make sure the bottom bun doesn't get super soaked.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then some fresh
And
tomatoes.
you know what? And I don't mind a squished bun.
Yeah.
Because you get your mouth on it
So
easier.
a bit of a fresh tomato, then our jalapeno jack burger with some our Farm Boy Fiesta cheese.
Oh.
And then of course these things are so delicious. The hot spicy pickled peppers.
These things just
Push
make
that
life
up to the
better,
front a
actually.
little bit. I just want the
These are
camera to get
delicious.
that. There we go.
There you go.
That's fun. We got a couple more things.
And
here.
then a bit of tangerine chili jelly.
Tangerine chili jelly.
You can use like either an orange jam or like a sort of orange marmalade to
Could
go
you
with
put
it
that
as
on
well.
your toast in the morning too?
For sure.
Oh, it's delicious.
With
Yeah.
cheese, whatever. It is.
And
really
then
delicious.
just to finish the whole thing off is a little bit of a tzatziki, just for a bit of freshness.
I wouldn't have thought of that.
Yeah.
It works.
Where's all Liam? Playing with his food.
As I do.
That's why you are the Farm Boy Product Development Chef, Liam Fulcher.
Yeah.
Look at that. And that was the Jalapeno Jack with pepper rings, Fiesta cheese, tangerine jelly, and tzatziki.
Yeah.
Wow. 3 burgers in under 6 minutes.
Wow.
Love that.
Yeah. Didn't even break a sweat.
You guys, you do great work. So we had the 3 summer salads and 3 burgers. And I like the fact that you can whip that up on a barbecue and something for everyone
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
to satisfy all tastes.
And not a lot of complicated prep work. And if you trust us, we'll do it for you.
right there at the store. And if you don't like to kick it up, if you don't like the heat, you can calm it down a little bit. But me, I like the heat, and that one's this one.
Yes, that is that one there.
Okay, I'm gonna have a bite of this one.
Absolutely.
And we'll say thank you guys. Once again, Farm Boy Executive Chef Josh Drake was here. Farm Boy Product Development Chef Liam Fulcher. I'm gonna dig in. We'll see you after the break. Stay with us.